My name's Nia Griffith and I'm the Welsh Seafood Cluster Manager for North Wales for Manor Business. We're here today with 4 leading Welsh chefs to prepare the very best of Welsh seafood, to give a masterclass on how to prepare and give you some ideas as well for recipes. The chefs will be using Welsh lobster, Welsh brown crab, Welsh mussels, Welsh scallops, Welsh oysters and Welsh sea bass. And we're very much looking forward to seeing what they get to do and be creative with each Welsh produce.
My name is David Kelman. I'm originally from Llandudno in North Wales. Now I am head chef at the Cowley Manor Hotel in Cheltenham. So style of cooking we do at Cowley Manor is modern British, concentrating on locality, flavours, and attention to detail, just nice bold strong flavours that we do at the hotel. Today I'm using line caught Welsh sea bass from the Welsh Seafood Cluster. In the dish I'll be doing curried sea bass with cauliflower, cooked cauliflower puree, cauliflower couscous and local garden herbs. So today we had a lovely line caught sea bass from Welsh Seafood Cluster. We descaled it, gutted it and then filleted it. Then we lightly seasoned with curry spices and then pan fried on the skin side down, bringing the cooking through the skin, keeping it lovely and moist, and then at the last minute we turn it over. With that we served curried cauliflower, which is pan fried, cauliflower couscous and then lovely garden herbs. Welsh seafood is high in omega-3, protein and vitamins A and D, great for a nutritional diet and a high protein diet. So all the recipes will be available online. Please go ahead and have a go and see how you get on and love playing with the recipes. Please post them on Twitter to see Welsh Seafood Cluster and let's have a look at how you're getting on.